Sunday Dollar Day haul. Want to see what I got? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's Stephanie from Three Queens Resale, and if you are new to my channel, thank you for joining me, and if you are returning, thank you for coming back. It does mean a lot to me as I work on building my YouTube community. I am a full-time reseller, and what that means is that I obtain things either through friends, family, sourcing at local Goodwills, garage sales, the bins, consignment shops, and I flip them for a profit on sites like Poshmark, eBay, Mecari. So, I was formerly a part-time reseller and a full-time middle school teacher, but I have decided to take this school year and pursue working on building my resale business full-time. So if you are interested in my journey as I transition from a part-time reseller to a full-time reseller, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and that bell notification so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. So today's video is a Sunday Dollar Day haul. So here in central Indiana, where I live, on Sundays, the color of the week goes down to $1 for clothing, and then shoes, hard goods, everything else, it is 50% off. So I got 18 items because I did get a pair of shoes, and I got something that wasn't a black tag. It was black tags this week. So 18 items for 25 bucks. I did round up to 25. At the Goodwill, you know, you can round up to donate to the Excel Center here in central Indiana. So I think I rounded up 4 cents. So we're going to get into the haul. I'm going to show you what I got, tell you how much I expect to get for it after looking at comps, and let's get into it. So I did get one pair of shoes. I don't know about your Goodwill, but my Goodwill shoes have shot up in pricing. So the shoes are always very, if it's like any type of good brand at all, it's super expensive now. So I really like to look on Sundays. Actually, for shoes, it doesn't matter since they only go down to 50% for the color of the week. So I like to look for the color of the week in shoes whenever I go. And so sometimes I even go earlier in the week to look for shoes. But I got these BOC, what is this, like a heeled Oxford, has the elastic. It's a comfort brand. It's good grip. It's an excellent teacher shoe, even though I'm not a teacher anymore. And they are a size, I don't know what size they are. They're probably like a 9 or a 10. Did I write them down on my thing? I didn't. But I expect to get about 25 bucks for these, and I got $2.50 into them. I think they're a 10. So that was my only pair of shoes that I picked up. So let's get into the rest of the haul. So these are Isabella. Can you see that? Let's see. Does that show up for you? Maternity Jeggings. And they're just a maternity jegging, has belt loops, and what do I say for those? I'm out of order. Oh, I'm going to list these for 20. These were $1. Well, I'm hoping to get 20. Probably list them for like 27 and take offers. And let me warn you, none of this is like, it's all bread and butter. So these are Express, the Tricot line. They are size medium, and they're like a riding pant. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, they're like a riding legging, and I expect to get about 20 for those. And now this next piece This is a Karen Kane dress, and oops, it's caught on the chair here. Hold on. Okay, and when I looked it up in stores, I was expecting more, but turns out I'm going to look for about 20 to 25, and this is an extra small black long sleeve dress with this bejeweled applique in the breast area. It's hits right at the knee. Just a nice knit basic. It's a rayon spandex blend. So about 25 for that. Like I said, when I quickly looked up comps on Poshmark in the store, I thought I would get a little bit more, but that's okay. Typically on Dollar Day items, I'm trying to get at least 20 list for 20 bucks. So these are the Express columnist pant, size 8 long. So I got them for two reasons. One, they're red, and two, they are 8 long. So it's just a straight leg career pant. More people are starting to go back to the office, and somebody is tall and somebody wants a pop of color. So that's why I got those. And then I think these were right next to them. Oh, and for those Express red, I'm looking to get about $20 for those. These are Gap, and they are the skinny ankle, and these are size 10 regular, and they're more of like a burgundy maroon color. Just another straight leg career pant, and I put 18. I'm expecting to get somewhere between 18 and 24 for these. Let's see what else. We got lots of career pants. Okay, so these are the Julie trouser, and they are an 8 petite. And they are a black pant, and they have career pant, and the Julie trouser has a little bit of a wider leg. And these have this little decorative loop on the side, and I'm expecting to get about 20 for these. Now, this next item is vintage, and it's my only vintage item that I pick up. I do not resell vintage. I am not a vintage reseller. I don't know very much about vintage, but since I am transitioning to being a full-time reseller, I'm trying to learn more about everything. So these are 100% silk, a full, like a pleated front silk pant. They're a little baggy, a little wide. They have some pockets. They're like a gold tan color, but they're 100% silk, and they are Pacific Shores, and they're a size large. So when I looked up comps, I did find one other pair listed, and so I'm hoping, or sold, and I'm hoping that I'm going to list these at 40 and see where they go. But they're in really good condition. They're silk, so we'll see what we can get. That would be a definitely like ding, ding, ding. I mean, if I sell any 2 of these items, I'm going to make my money back for the whole haul. So next up is our Banana Republic Logan trousers, size 0. So these are the Logan trouser. Just another straight leg basic. Lots of career basics. I did really well in the pants section. And looking to get about 25 for those. These are Joe's, and they're size 29, and they're burgundy denim. And it's skinny. It is not, I haven't measured them yet, but that is not a high rise. But it is a skinny leg. And then I'm hoping to get about 30 for these. So we shall see. As I looked up comps on similar colors, and that seems to be where they're going. And I think with fall coming up, that burgundy, tan, brown, those kind of colors seem to always resurface during the fall. So these are, my next item are these Chicos Pants, and they are size 1, and they are a pull-on trouser. They're one regular. Oops. And when I looked up comps on this pant, I should be able to get between 18 and 25 for those because of the sizing and the style. I guess that this isn't as, this garners a little bit more than normal Chicos, but we'll see. Next up, I really like these, and for some reason they look very pajama pant to me, but they are a palazzo pant, and they are an extra small petite, and they're a floral print. They're loft, and I just thought that they were really cute. They have pockets, and they could be great for fall. Someone could wear these into fall to work. They could be dressed up or dressed down casually, and expecting to get around 20 for them. Nice little loft piece. And then next up, I have this BCBG Paris dress, and it is a size 2. And I just thought this was a cute short sleeve V-neck shirt. It does have a side zipper. It is knee length, and it's not showing up very well on the camera, but it is a like aqua green dress. But it's a size 2, and I'm hoping to get about $30 for this. So here's the tag, and I did pick that up for $1. Another $1 is this Tommy Hilfiger extra small ombre knit sweater. I just thought this was really cool. It's in excellent condition. It doesn't have any snags or pulls, and I think it's just a normal cotton blend too. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a cotton blend, but it's a nice lightweight sweater. It's size extra small, and I'm hoping to get about, because of the season coming up, about 27 for this. Somewhere between 22 and 27. And then next up, oops, my pile is tipping. Hold on. Okay. Now, I got this because I was thinking I would wear it for myself. It's design history, which I'm not sure where it's sold, but it's a size large, and it's just an ombre blue maxi dress. And I'm going out of town this weekend, and I was like, maybe I'll get this for wear myself. We'll see. At either rate, if I do wear it, I still am going to resell it when I'm done. But I looked up comps, and probably about 20 to 25 for this. I'll list higher to allow room for offers. Now the next 2 pieces I got really excited about because they were both torrid, and they're both the same size and the same style. They probably came from the same person. They are torrid size 4, so that's a 4X, and they are these nice knit it's nice knit 2-button blazers. So I'm expecting, I have this blue one, and then I have the same exact thing in black. I'm expecting to get 40 each for those. I'm going to list high. I tend to do well with torrid that is 3X and higher. So I'm expecting 40 each for each of those. And then my final piece is this Michael Stars Maternity top. and it is a size medium, no, size small. And it's just a nice little maternity long sleeve top. I'm not really sure why it's maternity because I can't tell anything about it, like other than it's super stretchy. But you'll get to really show off your bump in that. And I'm thinking about 20, just looking at the few comps that were out there for that. So if everything sells the way that on the high end of what I'm expecting, I will be able to turn my $25 into $475 for those 18 items. I did get 2 other items that I did not show in the haul. They were tops for my younger daughter, Jackie, athletic girl tops. So if she does not want those or can't fit them or when she grows out of them, I will also resell those. So that is my Sunday Dollar Day haul. If you like to see what I can pick up here in Central Indiana for $1, make sure you hit the like button so I know to keep making videos like this. And if you are interested in following me in my resale journey, make sure you hit the bell notification and subscribe so that you can check me out and see how it goes. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.